everybody, it's me, Sophie from Sophie's World, and I have another installment of my Drawing with Sophie. That's right, this is a class where I take basic shapes like circles and ovals and egg shapes and squares and turn them into something fun and interesting like, I don't know, a lion. So come and join me as we do a drawing class. For this project, you will need paper, a pencil, an eraser, markers, crayons, or colored pencils. So the first thing you're going to do is draw a big egg shape. So a big egg shape. Remember, if you need more time, just click on the pause button until you're done. Now, on either side of the bottom of the egg, so let's just say this is the halfway point of your egg. So starting at the halfway point of your egg, draw a circle. And then on the other side, draw another circle that matches it. Now at the top, draw a circle. And on the other side, another circle. And then inside it, you can draw a tinier circle and another tiny circle. And now let's make the eyes. So I'm going to go do one circle, two circles. And there, put the two circles in there to make his eyes. Now, right in the middle of his eyes, down between these two circles, I'm going to make a big triangle. And then I'm going to make one little line that goes straight down. And then about 1.5 inches down from that little line, that's going to be my point where I'm just going to draw a tiny little triangle. There we go. Now let's outline his face first, and then we'll add the mane. So first thing first, remember, whenever we are drawing, we don't want all of these crossover lines. So I'm going to trace around like this. I'm going to go up and over the ear. I'm not going to come around to that circle. I'm going to go right to the oval. And I'm not going to come through that circle there. I'm going to go around the outer edge there. And then I'm going to come down across the bottom, go around the outer edge, come up to that ear, and I'm going to go around the ear. And then I'm going to go up and over. Now I'm going to come in and draw my eyes. And I'm going to draw my nose and the line and a little mouth. And I'm also going to do the little circles within the circles right there. Now, before I do anything, I'm going to use my eraser and just erase all of the lines. There you go. You can see the lion's face. And now before I color him in, I'm going to make his mane. Now for his mane, you can do his mane one of two different ways. You can just do hair like this, that's just kind of like lines if you want to. Or you can make what I like to call like smooshies. And I just kind of go smooshy, 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 smoosh, all the way around like that. And then I'm going to come back and color. So let me color, and then I'll show you the last few steps. I'm going to start with yellow for his mane. Smooshy, 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 smooshy. Okay, so I've got them all colored in, and now I'm just going to add a few little dots here to be his whiskers. And I colored his little ears in red, and there you've got a lion. So there you have it. Isn't that fun? Isn't it cool to see how it all comes together? I love how just like circles and rainbow shapes, you put them together and soon you've got
a critter. I'll be back with more drawing classes, so keep an eye out. And until then, stay curious and creative.